everyone! Welcome again to another episode of Mhelbeth'S Table. Today we will make this very delicious cake. I know a lot of you love this cake. That's why, guys, it's been a while that I didn't make any cake at all. So this time I will show you how to make this mocha cake. Alright, here are the ingredients. I have here the egg whites. I'm gonna put in the cream of tartar. Okay guys, so just look at the description box. I will post the exact measurement of everything. Okay, so we will beat this until become frothy. Then gradually we will add the sugar. Alright guys, if it's like this already, it's now ready. So we'll set this aside and we'll do the cake batter. Okay? Inuna ko itong ating meringue guys para save time for washing this one. Kasi pag inuna mo itong egg yolk, kailangan huhugasan mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng mabuo yun na may ibang ingredients. To another bowl, we will beat the egg yolk and we'll add the sugar. We will beat this guys until the color change into pale yellow. Okay, next is we will sieve the cake flour. You can use all-purpose flour. Walang problema doon. Okay. And then we will also put in half teaspoon of salt, baking powder, vegetable oil, at gagamit ako guys ng milk, evaporated milk. And of course, I have here 3 tablespoons of coffee, powder coffee, granulated coffee, and I add 2 tablespoons of hot water just to dissolve the coffee guys. Okay, and then cocoa powder, I use the darker one. I will use the lighter one later on my frosting. And of course I will add in vanilla extract. Okay, let's just mix this until just combined. And then scrape it para make sure guys na na-mix nating maigi. Okay, so here's the meringue. We will add in, see guys, hindi siya bumabagsak, so meaning that's good. Okay, so we'll add in into the batter and just mix it lightly, like don't over mix it guys. paggawa ng masarap na cake, kailangan isama natin yung ating puso, our heart, para maging masarap siya. We will transfer and divide this into our baking pan. I put cake strip on my pan, guys. If you don't have that one, you can just improvise it with a soak paper towel in water, cold water, and then roll it with foil. So, itataktak natin, guys, para the excess bubbles, air inside ay mawala. Okay? There you go. And then we will put this into the preheated oven, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will bake this for about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay? Alright, guys, after about 30 minutes, let's check. There you go. And then we will put it into the wire rack to cool it down. Okay? Then we will remove the parchment paper and let it cool. Now we will heat the pan and we will pour the chocolate, dark chocolate. Okay, so we will melt this into the pan and we will add 3 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee. Okay, so let's just melt this one. Okay, so I have here egg yolk, 6 pieces. I will just beat for a little while and I'll add in the sugar. Now I will transfer this into the double boiler. Okay, make sure, guys, na hindi siya kulong-kulo at hindi natatouch yung the bottom of the dish. So continue beating. So I think, guys, it's all good. See? It's so soft already. So okay, guys, keep on beating until you reach the sift it as you can see, and it becomes glossy. Okay, and let it cool down before we add the butter. And then we will add in the butter slowly. Next, I will add in a tablespoon of vanilla extract and the chocolate that's already cooled down. We're gonna put it in as well. Okay, this is the chocolate with the coffee granules that I melted. And we will continue beating. Now I will add in tablespoon of light cocoa powder. Alright guys, I think this is good enough. So we will cut the cake into half. This aside, and we will use this cutter. So now we are ready to assemble our cake. Set this aside for now. Just put it in here. I'll add in one layer of cake. Okay, so we will put this in the fridge to chill down. In a pot, we will heat up the pan and we will pour in the half cup of dark chocolate. Now we can add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Guys, this is for our chocolate glaze that we will pour on top of the cake. Okay, so just melt this one all together. Then this is good enough. Alright, I put the chocolate glaze into a Ziploc bag and I cut the tip of it and I will try it on top like this, right? And then we will do a drippings on the side. Alright guys, ito na ang ating ginawang yummy mocha cake.
Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video in my channel. Thank you so much, until next time again.